Good morning. Today we're in Kendal. I'll show you the stain in here. So here you can see the pink. Got this gate blend to do, and there's particularly bad. You can see the red algae up there. All this, there's different types of algae on this. You can see the green, there's red, and then we'll do these windowsills, lichens, and we've got a gay blend to do around this side that's really tight, and at the top there that chimney. But beautiful day here in the Lake District, so should be a good day. Right, see how we get on with this one. And that's the first round put on. See the window bottoms really cleaned up well. And we leave that on for about 45 minutes to work, and then we rinse it off with hot water, and then we'll put another round of treatment on it. We've finished this property now, and I'll show you around. You can see it's looking really good. So up this area here there were some very bad marks, there we go, some red staining, and these walls are drying out all the time, and normally about a week, 10 days they'll look their best. there where the chimney was very black, that's now cleared. And the window bottoms are looking really good. And there's a bit of a tanning mark here, so this is tanning from the wood, and I've got a treatment that I'll put on that, and that should clear that. Overall, very pleased with that, and if you've got any comments, please leave them below, and I'll see you on the next one.